Unveiling the Mystery, Out of the Woodwork. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere, out of the woodwork. It's a phrase that paints quite a picture, but what does it actually mean? Stick around as we uncover the origins, meaning, and how to use this expression in your daily conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, out of the woodwork, is used to describe a situation where people or things suddenly appear or emerge, often unexpectedly or from hidden places. It's commonly used when people show up from nowhere or when opinions, problems, or issues suddenly come to light, especially in large numbers. The imagery here is quite vivid. Think of insects suddenly crawling out of the nooks and crannies of a wooden structure. Just like these insects appearing seemingly out of nowhere, the expression metaphorically illustrates how people or things can suddenly become visible or prominent. Understanding the background of out of the woodwork can help us appreciate its usage even more. This idiom likely stems from the early 20th century, drawing on the imagery of insects creeping out of hidden cracks in woodwork, such as in floors, walls, or furniture. This analogy has evolved to symbolize the sudden and unexpected emergence of people or issues, akin to how these insects would appear suddenly and in large numbers, often to the surprise or dismay of the observer. To grasp the phrase, out of the woodwork, better, let's look at some examples. 1. After the lottery win was announced, distant relatives came out of the woodwork, all hoping for a share of the fortune. 2. Once the celebrity scandal hit the news, critics and fans alike came out of the woodwork to voice their opinions. 3. As soon as the company announced it was hiring, applications started coming out of the woodwork. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to different situations, highlighting the sudden emergence of people, opinions, or actions that were not previously visible or active. Now that you understand what it means and where it comes from, incorporating out of the woodwork into your conversations can add a colorful and vivid element to your storytelling. It's perfect for situations where you want to express the idea of a sudden surge of people or things appearing unexpectedly. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression, so it's best used in informal contexts or creative writing. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, out of the woodwork. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this fascinating expression for you. English is filled with vivid idioms like this one, each adding depth and color to our conversations. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using out of the woodwork in your own stories or discussions. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning tips. Until next time, happy learning!